Welcome to a new video. We are going to discuss some interesting features. Capable of amazing velocity, swift and powerful is incomprehensible. Taking the name from a mighty storm. Nevera is a force like no other. Designed and crafted in Croatia, Nevera was born to outperform. The name Nevera is given to a Mediterranean storm that passes across the open sea of Croatia. Extremely powerful with striking lightning. The new generation of hypercar proudly carries the name Nevera. It has 4 electric motors, one on each wheel. Each wheel is independently driven by one electric motor which gives control and agility. Weight. Top speed of 258 miles per hour, 0 to 60 in 1.8 seconds. And truly unbelievable 1,914 horsepower. Limited production to 150.